guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 8 different streams of income so that I can make 6 figures as a full-time small business owner and content creator. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. First off, I want to do like a little bit of a disclaimer. I have been fully self-employed for about 2 years now, so it has taken some time to get to this point, and I've gone through a lot of ups and downs of making good money and maybe not making the best money in my personal mind. I recently have seen a lot of great success financially, and I'm just really excited to like share with you guys my income streams and how they've differed from my previous videos on income streams, because I do have another old one I'll link here for you guys and down below if you want to go and check it out. This is an old version of my income streams, and things have changed over the past 2 years. My businesses have changed, my structures have changed, the way that I'm bringing in income has changed, and I find that this happens, you know, year to year. Different things come in, different things go, and I have different focuses and things that I prioritize and I'm passionate about, and I think that's okay. I want to share this with you guys so that if you are wanting to become fully self-employed, whether it be through owning a small business or being a content creator online, you can get some inspiration for how you can earn income online and build up your own finances so that you could potentially leave your full-time job or do this full-time. So now that we've kind of gotten that out of the way, let's start discussing my different income streams. Before we get into breaking down the income streams, I think it's important that you guys also know that I have about 4 businesses in total that make me money. And all of these businesses kind of do some of the same things. So a lot of the income streams are technically different because they're 4 different businesses, but they're the same thing. What you need to know is that basically 2 of them are small businesses and 2 of them are kind of more content creation based. So that is kind of how I categorize them, and we'll go further into detail on the different income streams for them, and I'll break them down for each one, if that makes sense. Let's first talk about my Lauren Thurmond business. This is basically this business here that you guys are watching. So for this business, I have a couple of different income streams. The first of which is Google AdSense. Google AdSense comes from the ads that play at the beginning, the middle, or the end of my YouTube videos here on this channel. So if you ever watch a video, see a video, or interact with one, I get paid for you seeing that or interacting with it when you come to watch my videos. Now, this is actually relatively consistent from month to month, but can definitely change towards like the beginning of the year when it kind of does its best views wise, and then it kind of stays the same throughout the rest of the year. Now, this income does bring me in 4 figures, and it is one of my main sources of income. The next income stream for this business would be my actual products that I sell. So these are going to be my courses and resources and workbooks that I sell to you guys to help you build and grow your Etsy shops and your small businesses. So if you have ever purchased from one of the links down below in my shop that says Shop Lauren Thurmond, whether it be an Etsy critique for your shop or my Etsy Beginner's Master course, my Etsy SEO workbook, those types of things, those are all the products that I'm referring to here. And I sell both of those on my own website from Teachable as well as on Etsy as well. So both of those are the same product with the same kind of income stream. The next income stream for this business is going to be the affiliates. My main ones are Amazon, TubeBuddy, and Sales Samurai. Those are the ones that I get paid out monthly from for sharing different pieces of content to you guys. With TubeBuddy and Sales Samurai, those are actual tools and platforms that people go and have a monthly subscription to and download. So every time you use that, I do get paid a small commission fee for that. With Amazon, I get paid for sharing different products that I might recommend to you guys. If you guys go and purchase from those, then I also get a percentage based off of what the item is. So those are my affiliates, and that would be my 3rd income stream for this business. And then my 4th income stream for this business is sponsorships. So this is actually pretty random, and it's not as consistent of an income as I would say the Google AdSense or the affiliates or even the product sales are. This is kind of one that's sporadic, it's random, and it just happens every now and then. Something obviously I would love to do more of in the future and get a lot more consistent, but this is essentially creating a piece of content for a business or brand and showcasing their brand and business within my piece of content. I do get paid for those. I have a flat rate fee for them. Those do take a while to come to you though. Sometimes they're not usually be paid on time. So if you are going to be getting into sponsorships, make sure you know that for your business. Next up, we're going to talk about my small business and its income streams, because contrary to popular belief, it does not just make income through selling products, which I think a lot of people don't realize, but if you are a small business, there are other ways that you can also create a brand that allows you to have a couple of different income streams so that you're not fully just relying on your product sales, and you can actually increase your amount of money you're making monthly by increasing your number of income streams for your brand. So for mine, I do sell digital products. I sell them on Etsy and on my own website. That is my first income stream for this business. The second income stream is from YouTube AdSense, because I do have a YouTube channel for it. And so I do have ads on those videos as well. They do not make nearly as much as this channel does, but it's definitely in the growth process phase right now. So it will eventually kind of build up to be a bigger income stream for that business. And then third, I also have affiliates for this company, whereas my other one, I have about 3 that I rotate between. This one, I really only in particular talk about things from Amazon so that I can link and have an affiliate link for them. And I share those on my social media platforms, again, so that I can increase my income coming through for that business. Moving on, I do have 2 other little businesses that I like to refer to, but do not have as much of an income stream or a crazy impact on my finances in general. The third one will be my other small business, where I create graphic designs that I sell on Etsy solely. I do not make any other income from this other than the sales on the Etsy website, and that is the only place I do that. I am not currently adding new listings to the shop. I'm not currently focusing on this shop, so the income from this will likely die down at some point. However, for now, it's still generating income for me through Etsy sales. And then we have my fourth business, which is more or less my kind of lifestyle content business. Eventually, I think this will build out to more multiple income streams, but at the moment, it is solely affiliate link based. So I have 2 different affiliate link platforms that I use for this business. Mostly I am sharing Amazon finds, favorites, things like that. That is all coming from Amazon affiliate. So again, we've got the affiliate links where when people click on something, they go and purchase it. I get a small commission fee for sharing that to them and them going and purchasing it. I also have the like to know it or reward style program for this business as well. So if I'm sharing something that's not on Amazon, I can likely find an affiliate link to it that I then get paid through from reward style. This is an app and platform that a lot of fashion bloggers use. So if you've heard of that before, that is what I'm referring to. So for this business, I only have affiliate income coming in. So to kind of narrow it down, I have 2 businesses that bring me in Google AdSense revenue, 3 businesses that bring me in product sales revenue. I have 3 businesses bringing me in affiliate sales revenue, and I have 1 business bringing me in sponsorships. I can't even remember the number that I titled this video to have, but I have a lot of different income streams. Whether you want to bunch those income streams all up to the same and categorize them as AdSense, affiliates, sponsorships, and product sales, then I would have 4 income streams. However, I have 4 different businesses that trickle down into those fields. It does provide a lot of income streams for me that allow me to make well over 6 figures as a full-time self-employed content creator and small business owner. If you have any questions regarding these income streams, maybe you got confused or I wasn't very clear, whatever it is, leave it down below in the comment section because I will be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. Hopefully you found this video very motivating and inspiring to remind you that even as a small business owner, you can have multiple income streams, and even as a content creator, you should be having multiple income streams. Whatever it is, there are so many things out there for you guys. Honestly, making money online nowadays and making money for yourself has never been easier. So take this as your sign, go and do it, make it happen for yourself. I promise you will have success. Right here on the screen for you, I'm gonna link another video that I think you'll find helpful, as well as an entire playlist full of other videos just like this one. And we're gonna have my subscribe button down here so you guys can stick around for more videos. And lastly, I'm gonna actually be linking you guys over to my new lifestyle YouTube channel where I'll be uploading vlogs and fun personal life content. So if you wanna see more of this space, that's where you should go. And without further ado, that's gonna bring us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.